Just use a bottle and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I add 1 tablespoon to the washing machine. I haven't bought fabric softener for over a year. Ever since I started using this trick, I no longer reach for chemical softeners. Just 1 tablespoon of coarse salt completely replaces fabric softener. Your clothes will always be soft and fresh without unnecessary chemicals. Prepare a bowl and add 3 large tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt is a natural fabric softener, removes odors, and has antibacterial properties. Then pour in hot water and stir well until the salt fully dissolves. Soak a microfiber cloth in the solution, then lightly squeeze it and toss it into the washing machine with your clothes. Set the temperature to 40 degrees and the spin cycle to 800 RPM. Once the wash cycle is complete, you'll be amazed at the results. Your clothes will be as soft as a cloud, and their freshness will surprise you. Once you try this method, you'll never go back to buying expensive fabric softeners again.